To purchase a product, add it to your cart and click on Checkout in the sidebar. Alternatively, you can visit your cart and initiate the checkout process from there. Fill out your billing details. Accept the terms and conditions, and click the Place Order button. We accept Bitcoin and MariaCoin as payment. Scroll down and click the Continue to Payment button. On the next page, select the currency you wish to use for payment. Click Pay with Bitcoin or Pay with MariaCoin to proceed. On the following page, choose one of the payment methods: Pay with one-click URI, Pay with QR code, or Pay with manual entry. Click on your preferred option and follow the steps. Step 1. Copy and paste the wallet address and amount into your wallet, then make a payment. Step 2. After completing the payment, fill out the name and email address fields and copy and paste your transaction ID. Don't forget to click the Submit Transaction button. That's all. As soon as we receive your payment, we will process your order.